Hello guys and welcome back to yet another episode on MAXI MADE channel. I'd like to thank you for your support and hopefully we can grow even more in the future. With that being said, we can now jump right into this episode. Pay close attention at the driver in front. He had no functional lights and this is about to cause a road rage with the biker. In my opinion, the biker was completely right, but make sure to write me your opinion on this as well.
I know camera on, you could see I was going reversing.
Mate, you was pulling into that space.
No, I wasn't, I pulled up there to
No.
reverse into him.
Mate, when I pulled in here, there was no reverse lights, nothing. There's no point in arguing over a parking space.
I saw it as well, mate.
I pulled up there and I went to reverse up.
It was a dick move, mate.
Whatever.
Right my arse there.
There's no need for all this. Mate, the reverse lights weren't even on. I honestly thought he was going into there. Nah.
The best thing you can do is just go, sorry mate, I made a mistake. Because
You're a fucking dick. What do you mean camera? What was I doing? That's not worth doing anything, you dick.
Biker found an interesting way to deal with the tailgater. Check out what he did to his windshield wiper.
You got a problem? You see how close you are? You see how quickly you came out?
The way you're driving like you did.
Driver forgot to signal and she changed lanes, not to mention the use of mirrors. This made the biker really upset and he didn't hesitate to rage at her.
Was that? What the You're in the bus lane all the way down there, then you don't use mirrors. You.
An angry lady mistook those kids for other hoodlums who were riding in her soy fields. She got out of her pickup truck and started yelling at them. Check out how this encounter unfolded.
Go, Riley. Hold on, wait. Huh? Riley, go. Riley, go cut through Dairy Twist. Come on, Riley. Just go. Just go. Go. What'd you say? We never went down there. Oh, I know who did that. I'm sorry. I apologize for that. These guys that live down by 58, they come through the pipeline and they're doing that. We're trying to tell them to stop, but I apologize for that. That's fine. I know who did. I will tell them not to do that. I'm sorry. Yeah, I know. That's the problem. I apologize. Is it the field right down there? Yeah, I apologize. I know who's doing it. I'll tell them to stay out of there. You're welcome. Have a good day.
Reckless driver completely ignored the biker that was in front of him and he nearly knocked him off his bike as he passed by. It didn't end there, trust me.
you doing? Next time, I'm dragging you out of that car and smacking your face. Do you get me?
I am sorry.
I will punch your face in. Stupid. If you want, yeah. Yeah, let's go in the car park. Yeah, and then him. Stupid little. What? Come on then, go car park.
Why do I go park? I am sorry. I apologize.
Yes, because you nearly knocked me off because you're a. Look at where you're going.
A crazy argument between a cyclist and a Sur Ronster rider escalated for riding on the mountain bike trails. Who's right in this situation, guys? Write us your opinion down in the comments.
Things on the trail, the hikers were the same way with you. So I'm done with the discussion. Keep riding and have a good day. Thanks, brother.
Work.
That's probably what they said to you.
Good one. Clowns that show up here with your e-bike motocross thing. That's not even a real motocross bike.
That's the point.
And you guys are out here riding on our trails, and you're
Your trails now. Your trails.
Yeah,
Just
the
keep
trails that
riding,
we
dude.
carve
Just
and we maintain.
There we go,
with
another
shovels,
person.
man.
We made these trails.
I've cut these trails for 25 years out here, dude.
25 years
I haven't
straight.
seen you out here one time.
Okay.
I certainly haven't seen one of these out here one
I don't
time.
really care, dude. I don't
Get the out of here, man. I'm dead serious.
You're dead serious.
I'm really scared. Super scared too, dude.
Alright, you just keep on lawn.
All right, bro.
You guys will find out.
We'll see.
I love that just happened. I got that all on camera. He called us gay. That's so funny.
Man's calling the cops.
Dude, that cop was not happy. My understanding, California Vehicle Code 312.5, a Class 2 e-bike does not need pedals as long as it's under 750 watts and 20 miles an hour. And our understanding is that Class 2 e-bikes are allowed here. If we're not, we can go back.
In order to operate this, you need a M1, Class M1. It would need to have a license plate. I'm not trying to tow your stuff either. I'm not trying to give you a hard time.
I guess I'm just trying to figure out a way how we're supposed to get back up there, and I guess that's going to be my next question is if... What if we, like, walked them back?
Can I get one of your guys' information? And then I'll let you guys go back up.
Yeah.
Run one of your guys' information,
Sure.
go back up.
I'll
If
give
we see
you
you guys
mine.
again, then you guys will get a ticket.
So what's up, YouTube? So today I'm showing you, just want to show you this cool mud hole and how muddy the farmer's field is. This is the trail right behind my house.
When you ride on a private property and you make the farmer upset, boy oh boy can that cause a lot of fuss.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. He hit my quad with this shovel. Oh my god. Holy. Oh my god. Oh my god.
This biker found himself in a sandwich between two careless drivers who didn't indicate, nor did they even look.
Comes too close to me, and that expression is like... Yeah. Help. And she is talking on the call. Keep the phone down. Keep the phone down. What? Are you kidding me? She's asking me for 2 minutes.
It came to a fierce road rage between a biker and a trucker, and all because of not paying attention.
फोन रख फोन पे क्या बात कर रहा है देख नहीं रहे क्या बीच में जा रहा भागो ऑफिस से राइट में आएगा
फायदा है क्या इसका कुछ?
Rude driver cut a biker off as he didn't even exist on the road, and some nice hand gestures were exchanged, and even more. Stay tuned to find out. Well, let's rewatch this casual mirror love tap one more time. It came to a road rage situation between dump truck driver and these bikers. He got annoyed for driving behind them, so he nearly took them out as he swerved between them.
I came straight from hell with a pitch black force, with a black pitchfork and a pitch black Porsche. Use a baby fool.
Truck driver didn't feel the need to check his mirrors, all because he was driving in a big safe truck. Reckless to say the least.
Oh, you, bro. Oh. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Here we go. 244 941. You.
The driver's reaction was completely unnecessary as well. Driver tried to block the biker from filtering, and the biker, well, he made sure to retaliate in style.
Why, bro? Why, bro? Yeah. Why, bro? Why, dude? Why? That's unnecessary. None of that's necessary, bro. None of it. None of that was necessary, bro. It's all on camera too. I got your license plate, all that shit. You stupid. Golly, bro.
This is how you solve a potential road rage that could have easily escalated into something more serious.
What has he done? Huh? Yo, what's the matter with him?
I don't know, it was him.
Why are you shouting at him?
Because he said to me, old man, get over. So you're going to pick on an old man?
He swerved in the road, I've got it on record, mate.
Do I have a steering wheel?
Huh?
Do I have a steering wheel here?
Yeah, but he did. He was worried about him
What
hitting
you
him.
having a go at me?
Because you got out of the car and started shouting at him, that's
No,
why.
he's having a go at an old man.
Yeah, but he's driving. You can't drive like an idiot.
I don't understand that, what you're saying, pal.
Yeah, just don't do that again. Like, it's dangerous. If you hit him,
I can understand that. I understand
then you understand why he's angry then.
You understand why he's angry?
In and out of lanes.
Well,
Hands on the steering wheel, anything could happen to him. If he fell off in front of us, we'd kill him and wreck our car.
Yeah, very true, but that would be the least of your problems.
There's still two sides to that now.
There's two sides to it, but I'm just saying, can you just be careful? Like, can you just be careful? Yeah?
Yeah, just help us.
Yeah? Cool. Cheers.
And with this cool clip, we conclude yet another episode on MAXI MADE channel. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed watching this one as well. Thank you for tuning in and supporting. Until the next episode, stay safe and take care.